All right, all right, all right. All right. What do we got? 357. Market's really not going to change much. Looking at the daily, we're just grinding our way up. The bars are getting a little smaller. And we're seeing a divergence again on the daily, but we've seen that before, and it just keeps pushing through. So we'll just watch it. We'll just let it keep grinding. As far as a swing trade, I don't see a setup to get into, but away it goes. And if we take a look at the 60, wow, you could see the divergence, momentum fading off, and price action just appreciating. So you just got to watch your downside, man. You just have to be careful and see what's what. Here's Bitcoin, Bitcoin, and we called it right. We waited for the break right here of the 41,800, and on that break, that's where we went long, and away it goes. So that was a nice move. It looks there's definitely a divergence here. It looks like it's topping out. The divergence wouldn't trigger until it breaks this pivot low right here. So nothing to worry about. Just keep your eye on it. Squeeze your stops, protect your downside. Composite's going to look just like the S&P, and away it goes. And the Dow, and these are interest rates. Interest rates are still in a consolidation. That's fine. We'll just leave them alone. The Dow looks just like everything else. Well, actually, the Dow looks like it might be a trend reversal. We'll have to watch that right here. You can see how it's moving up, and it came down, and it'll move up again. So we may have a trend reversal on the Dow. And let's look at Apple. We got a few people involved with Apple right now, and Apple's in a consolidation. You have the momentum fading off. That's what you have to be careful of. But this is a consolidation, and I would just, if I was tracking Apple, I would just have a horizontal there, and here's my pivot or my trend line, and I would watch that wedge. And that be's my Apple story. Oh, there she is. The market is closed. AMZN. It's just a pain in the ass. So, yep, I know my clock is off. Get it. So Amazon looks like a trend reversal also. So just watch your downside. If it breaks this high right here, then the break of that high, and away you go. That's where my entry would be on a swing trade for this thing. I'd wait for it to break and give me some proof that it's going up. We were looking at XOM for the day. I mean, this is a long-term. Yeah. This is a long-term situation, so don't worry about it. It looks like it's building a trend reversal. Don't be surprised if it closes this gap, and then we'll look for the break above that high. And we would be happy with that because, again, that's just something you sock away. It's got a nice dividend. And last but not least, let's give it to them. Oh, there it is. Bank. Yeah. Well, okay. So the daily, I mean, it could go either way. You have the momentum working its way up. This looks like a flag. This could be a bull flag. My entry tomorrow would be at a break of this high, which is 48.30. If it breaks that high, it's going to move up. Not really where my bias is, but I play my setups no matter what my bias is. So that's what we look for. But I think it's going to break to the downside. But the momentum favors it and everything, and my bias might be corrupt at this point, so I can't really go with that. I would just play with the setups. Could make a double top, could pop tomorrow, make another double top on the 60 and turn around because the 60 is rolling over and getting negative. So that's it. That's the short of the long. Remember, when you're trading, you have to stay calm, be at peace, and good luck.